Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called LUMENS (XLM). To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. In this video, we're going to look at a few of the factors that could contribute to a change in the long-term trend of Stellar. Since last May, Stellar XLM has seen a steady downtrend, recording lower peaks while maintaining 13-month support at $0.195. Given last month's bullish comeback and lower price retreat, a likely close above $0.2217 would test the upper trend line of the down channel, which coincided with the 50-day moving average, light blue. At press time, XLM was trading at $0.2195. Since hitting its 3-year high on May 16, 2021, XLM has reversed sharply lower and has been trading in a range of 19 cents to 39 cents for more than 8 months. The recent bearish phase marked a descending channel, weight, on the daily chart, with the alt losing almost 62% since November 10 and making a yearly low on Jan 22. At this stage, the 50 EMA acted as strong resistance and confirmed the long-term downtrend. The fall stalled at 13-month, 19 cents, support, where buyers stepped in to start a 29% recovery and test the upper trend line of the down channel on February 8. Interestingly, the trend reversal occurred as the bears approached the 19-cent support in July 2021. It now seemed likely that history would repeat itself as the XLM saw the morning star candlestick pattern and the technical indicators confirmed the rising buying power. Moreover, the recent bullish return has formed a strong demand zone, rectangle, near the $0.2 level. Any close above $0.221 is likely to test around 23 cents before a pullback. If the bulls fail to close above $0.221, a direct retest of the usually taking a shot on Stellar Lumen, Crypto, XLM. The clear purpose, that makes perfect sense ever since they moved into the mainstream. One of my chief hangups with cryptocurrencies has been their limited degree of practical use. For crypto to be a successful alternative to fiat money, enough sellers must be willing to accept it as payment, and enough buyers must be willing to use it as a means of payment. That has been the underlying reason so many cryptocurrencies and related stocks have been struggling of late. Not enough participants can agree on which of a plethora of altcoins out there are the ones to commonly utilize. Most of the early ones were established without a particular usage in mind. Stellar Lumens, to be precise, isn't hampered by this philosophical flaw. Established back in 2014 on its own built-in token called the Lumen, Stellar's network is built from the ground up to allow large organizations to do cost-effective cross-border business with ease. And they have. Over the course of the past 7 years, the platform has facilitated over 450 million transactions, allowing payers to make payments in their local currency and payment recipients to receive payments in their local currency. The coolest part is that Stellar works with any currency, fiat and otherwise. The stablecoin United States dollars coin, for instance, is also compatible with the Stellar network. Stellar Lumens is in good company, and limited supply. It remains to be seen whether Stellar Lumens will end up being one of the world's preferred cryptos a requirement, if there's to be any hope for the price stability needed to make a particular digital money a reasonably safe means of storing, conveying, or receiving value. Otherwise, it continues to be little more than a speculative coin toss. The Stellar platform certainly got the right support to become the platform of choice among the world's key players though. Technology giant International Business Machines, better known as IBM, is partnering with Stellar to offer IBM's corporate clients cross-border payment solutions, touting the network's speed and low usage costs. MoneyGram, Liquid Mortgage, and Nabu Bank are also working directly with Stellar to make cross-border deal-making easier and quicker. At the very least, would-be buyers can embrace the fact that no more of this cryptocurrency will be mined, diluting the current float in the process. If a company wants to plug into the Stellar network to use its impressive payment capabilities, it's going to have to buy some in the open market. That's a bullish backdrop, not to mention a solid start for today's owners. The official Twitter account Stellar Lumens recently posted a post about longer-term impact of SWIFT ban on Russian banks. Yesterday, Europe, the United States, Canada and the UK agreed to ban certain Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system, the primary global network used for cross-border payments. On the one hand, the West seems to have little choice following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. However, in many ways, this is a financial nuclear option. Going nuclear has blowback. Using this weapon now will make it harder to do so in the future against other countries. This isn't just about payments shifting to cryptocurrency. It's about a longer-term move towards central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, for cross-border payments. Payments using government currencies will become decentralized, removing the reliance on SWIFT. Many central banks worldwide are involved in trials of multiple digital currency cross-border payment initiatives known as multi-CBDCs, MCBDC. That includes China, which is acutely aware of its reliance on SWIFT. Although most transactions still go via SWIFT, it has already created its own conventional alternative, CIPS. China is involved in the Bridge Digital Currency Initiative for cross-border payments, that includes Hong Kong, Thailand, and the UAE. The architecture of these systems is quite different to SWIFT, which is purely used for messaging with banks and intermediaries processing the payments. Instead, the digital currency initiatives exchange currencies directly, making cross-border payments cheaper and faster with fewer intermediaries. While these are the goals of these projects, the effects are to reduce the reliance on SWIFT. In 2019, the Russian Direct Investment Fund, RDIF, suggested that BRICS countries should create their own currency for similar purposes. The SWIFT ban could accelerate the development. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024.